Hey, what's up guys? Alright, so super excited because I got my first CGC card return right here. And I did it express. I sent it away probably, I think January 7th it got there. Today is the 29th. So it's right now it's around 12 working days. It was 10, they upped it 2 more days. But it did take time to get it back to me for shipping because right now the post office is running really slow, so it took more time to get it than actually to grade it. So super excited. I can't wait to crack this open, guys. It comes in this nice cool box. This is one card, by the way. Just got one card, express submission. I also have a bulk shipment there, a economy shipment there, and also a standard shipment there. I wanted to send in all the types of services they provide just to see the turnaround times right now and see what everything's going. So this one by far is the quickest, of course, because it's express. It's around $30 a card, and it is what it is, express. So you get it back really quick. So with this video, I'm not really sure how I'm gonna film it. I think I'm gonna do a top-down only, no face cam, just so we could show the quality of the card, the quality of the case, and everything like that. It's gonna be just the top-down portion, and we're just gonna get right into it, guys. I'm super excited to open this. Let's check it out. Okay, well, let's get right into it. Comes in this nice rigid box, and it's got all these stamps on it. I guess when it was posted, but it's all sealed around the whole side. No water, no moisture's getting in there, so that's awesome. Comes registered mail, so it's basically registered means like you need a signature to accept it, or if your mailman's cool with you, he'll just leave it and sign for it himself, which my mailman does, which I don't care because I live in a sort of safe-ish neighborhood. But I forgot a knife. Let me get it. Let's open this bad boy. Now I don't want to tell you what card it is, but it's a higher value card. It's a modern card, but it's awesome, I think, and worth it to send to CGC Express, in my opinion. All right, so where is the signs? This thing's a little weird. I don't know how the box is open. Let's try to figure this out. Okay. You don't need to see this. Let me try and open the box. You gotta open the box. All right, so they almost make it too hard to open, which is a good thing. Where? Okay. There we go. Alright, so it opens like this. Oh my god, jeez. Kudos, guys, kudos. Good lord. Woo, there it is. I don't want you to see it. I don't want to see it either. I didn't check the grade. Oh. There it is. All right, what do we got? We got a nice little packing slip right here. Comes in this little slotted cool thing right here. Ooh, I can see the grade right now. That is a pretty good grade. Comes with a little packing slip. All my shipping information's on there. I do not want you to see that. All right, put that to the side. All right, guys. We got the boom Charizard V Champion's Path. Wow, the case feels really nice. What grade did we get? Boom. All right, pretty good. 9.5. All right, let's look at it together. We got what do we get? 9.5 in centering, 9.5 in surface. Corners a 10, nice. And edges, a 10 as well. So all in all, pretty freaking good card. Just a little ding on the centering and the surface are both 9.5s. This is a gem mint quality card. Now, if I was to probably send this to PSA, it would probably get a 10. But CGC has the 0.5 grades, which in my opinion are better. I do not like PSA. I don't like the slabs. I don't like the quality of them. I like the way this looks. I like the design of the actual slab. I like the coloring. I am coming from the comic book scene, so these labels really do resonate with me. You could be different, but I do feel as though CGC will catch on, and in the trading card market, it will get a lot more notoriety. They did just sell a card for $360,000 that was slabbed in a CGC slab, so I feel as though they will be sort of widespread and accepted as a player in the game. But 9.5, I am super excited. This should probably worth around, they're going from anywhere between the 9.5 to like, they're going for around $5.99, 500 to around $5.99, so around 600 bucks. Pretty good hit, in my opinion. This thing's awesome. The back looks beautiful as well. You got that nice CGC hologram over there. It's a beautiful, beautiful card. Oh, look at that. My first CGC slab. Trading card slab. Wow. Look at those. Look at that. That is beautiful. 9.5 gem mint. Guys, I love this card. I love CGC. They're a great company. I will continue to use them to grade cards. Guys, if you like this sort of thing, CGC returns, trading cards, collectibles, all things like that, follow the channel. I will be unboxing all my CGC returns. I have tons going out. Tons. I have over 200 cards there right now, and I'm sending another 100 on the way. If you like that sort of thing, subscribe, follow, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.